Hello everyone, welcome to Gover Academy. I am Vineet and today we are here to discuss a very important topic which is rectification of errors. Guys, I have heard many of the students discussing among themselves, my god, this is a very confusing chapter. I get goofed up, messed up in the transactions. You know why? Because the basics are not sharpened, not good. Trust me guys, if the basics to accounting are good, there are no chances of any confusions in this chapter. The chapter becomes so easy. So guys, before starting the main content, let us see what basics you should be good at. The first thing which you should know is the modern rules of accounting. Just see that I am talking about modern rules of accounting, not the golden rules of accounting. You can see name of accounts. We have some name of accounts given: drawings, expenses, assets, liabilities, equity, revenue. We should know what will happen when they increase and what will happen when they decrease. Drawings increase, debit; expense increase, debit; assets increase, debit; liabilities increase, credit; equity increase, credit; revenue increase, credit; and decrease, obviously, opposite. You can observe one thing, that the first part DEA has the same effect and the second part LER has the same effect. So we can divide it in two parts and memorize in this way. Dealer, the word dealer, half has the same effect and the other half has the same effect. Right? After this, you should know the books of prime entry. What are these books of prime entry? So guys, as we know that the first step is identifying the financial transactions, the transactions which can be measured in terms of money. Once we identify, we start recording them. And the first books in which we record these transactions are the books of prime entry or books of original entry. These are purchase book, which record all the credit purchases; sales book, which record all the credit sales; return inwards book, which records all the return inwards, means sales returns; return outward books, which record all the purchase returns; cash book, all the cash transactions are recorded in the cash book, and the transactions which cannot be recorded in these books are recorded altogether in the general journal. Right guys? Now, till trial balance, we make this, and with the help of this we make the trial balance, and the trial balance is a statement, or you can say is a report, which tells us about all the assets, liabilities, incomes and expenditures of the business. It gives no other information. It is just a report which summarizes, which tells these are the assets, these are the liabilities, these are the expenses, these are the incomes. Now here we start with our topic. Let us see, suppose that I am an accountant and I have done my trial balance, and you must be knowing that both the sides of the trial balance should be equal. If the trial balance is not equal, oh my god, I can make out that I have done some mistake. But what if the trial balance is equal? Can I say that I have done no mistake? No. If the trial balance is equal, then also there might be some mistakes. Here the catch is, just imagine an enemy. You know he is my enemy. When you know that he is my enemy, you can be careful, right? But if a friend of you who pretends to be a friend, but actually he is not a friend, it's very dangerous. The same here. When the trial balance is not equal, we know that, wow, it is not equal. We have done a mistake. That means we are not correct. But when the trial balance is equal, we do not know that we have done a mistake still, or everything we have done is correct. This is more difficult. That means trial balance sometimes do not locate the errors, the mistakes. So we will see which errors are located by the trial balance or which errors affect the trial balance and which errors do not affect the trial balance. You can look here, guys. We have two types of errors, two-sided errors. That means both the sides have mistakes, both the aspects have mistakes. These errors do not affect the trial balance, the dangerous one, right? The friend who pretends to be a friend. And one-sided, which affect the trial balance. We know enemy, we have to be careful. We can see we have mistakes. So in today's class, we'll just see the type of two-sided errors and we'll discuss, elaborate, learn to rectify in the next video. So you can see the two-sided errors are errors of omission, errors of commission, errors of principle, errors of original entry, errors of complete reversal, and compensating errors. These six types of errors are under the category of two-sided errors which do not affect the trial balance. So guys, before we switch off to the next video where we will discuss these errors, I suggest you to brush up your basics with the modern rules of counting and the books of time entry so that when we learn more detailed the two-sided errors and their rectifications, you will not face difficulties and you will not say the same thing, oh my god, so confusing, so difficult. It will make life easier. Yes, trust me. So guys, wait for my next video. Till then, do what I said. See you, bye bye, take care.